Everybody, meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. It's going to be a busy day of weather. High winds expected for most of the area. If we didn't have snow, the big story would just be the winds alone. That will be strong enough to do damage. Wind gusts later on this morning into the afternoon could gust as high as 55 to 70 miles per hour. Even though there is a blank spot there here in the north and west here, pretend like they are also under a high wind warning. Intense winds, especially this afternoon through tonight. These will wrap up tomorrow at noon, as winds will still be strong, especially in eastern Nebraska tomorrow morning. We've got blizzard warnings in place over western and northwestern areas and then far eastern areas. This technically goes till noon tomorrow, although I think it will end earlier than that. I think the blizzard conditions will end tonight. Eastern areas, the blizzard warnings will start actually this evening at 8 p.m. and go until 3 a.m. Central Time. I am kind of surprised a few more counties aren't included right here, because I'm worried that blizzard conditions will also be possible. There could be near blizzard conditions at times. It's just that where this winter weather advisory is, the snow may not be quite as intense in some of these spots. The most intense snow is expected here. I'm especially, if I had to circle an area here, I'd be most concerned about this area here, and then this area here. It's the two areas I'd be most concerned about, either today or tonight. We've got, we've got a kind of a little dry slot working its way in here, drizzle and fog. And then we've got a band of rain that's changing to snow, and winds are intensifying. They're going to get stronger through the day today. There's mid-morning. We're seeing near blizzard conditions at times, and then we turn into more blizzard conditions as the winds get worse into the noon hour. The winds really strengthen late this morning into the afternoon. Starting to see more showers and storms in eastern Nebraska. Probably not much moisture on the Tri-Cities area, but then we see that change from rain to snow. Again, a little snow. If it's snowing, it could get really difficult to travel. If it's not, then it won't be. It's just going to be windy. But again, anywhere where it is snowing, the winds are going to be much more intense this afternoon. Gusts 60, 65, maybe as high as 70 miles per hour. Eastern Nebraska starts to change over to snow late this afternoon and early this evening. So now we start talking, and this is where your strongest winds are right here. So we start talking about near blizzard conditions or blizzard conditions in eastern Nebraska through the evening. By about midnight or shortly after, the snow should end in eastern Nebraska. Still pretty strong winds through the late night. And even tomorrow morning, kind of windy out there in eastern and central areas. Western areas will start to see lighter winds. Those winds will lighten up as the day goes on tomorrow. We'll see plenty of sun for your day on Wednesday. Snowfall totals, and this is going to be very hard to project just because of the blowing nature of the snow, and it all depends on where the exact band sets up. But somewhere within that band, we could see amounts of 2 to 5 inches, but I don't think all of these areas will see 2 to 5 inches. And then eastern Nebraska amounts will pick up as well, 1 to 4, maybe 5 inches of snow. There will be some that get a lot that get less than an inch of snow out of the system, the way things play out. There's your highs today, but many of us are seeing our highs this morning. So as we play this out, temperatures are actually going to be dropping for most of us today. In fact, eastern areas and central areas will be in the 30s this afternoon. Eastern areas late this afternoon dropping into the 30s. Tomorrow morning we'll fall back into the teens and 20s for lows. Tomorrow is going to be a cool day in the 40s, some 50s out towards the west here. As we take a look at the extended outlooks here, we get a little bit of a break tomorrow in the Tri-Cities, but still pretty windy in the morning hours. Another system that's going to come in Thursday into Thursday night, Friday, most of the precipitation will come Thursday night and early Friday. Minor snow accumulation, the better chances will be in northern Nebraska. After that, it looks pretty quiet as we head through the weekend and early next week, and we get a nice warming trend ahead Sunday and Monday, especially much milder weather ahead of us here. A quick look at North Platte's forecast. You're more likely to see blizzard conditions, 2 to 5 inches of snow expected today. Very windy conditions as well. That should wrap up by the end of the afternoon. More sun tomorrow, a little on the breezy side, but not as windy in North Platte. Just like the Tri-Cities, moisture, a chance of rain or snow Thursday, better chances late day Thursday into Thursday night. Maybe some minor snow accumulation, but again, better chances in northern Nebraska. We'll put more focus on this storm system in tomorrow's forecast once we get after today's blizzard conditions we're expecting here. But once we get past Friday, better weather returns, more sunshine Saturday, Sunday, into Monday, and a nice warming trend on the way. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I'll be back on Wednesday where we can say goodbye to this first system. Look forward to a weaker system that could bring a little more rain and snow to the area. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Take care, and God bless. Bye.